Hello students, welcome to the class. I'm Yogita. Our subject is CNET, Nursing Education for Nurses, and today we are going to learn about objectives. Now, these educational objectives will tell the learner what he is supposed to do after taking admission in certain course. Educational objective will tell the learner how he should be in that educational program. Educational objective also help the learner to complete the program with a great success. It helps the learner to achieve that goal. Now, educational objective, which is designed by experts based on their professional or any kind of course, based on the need of an individual, the educational objectives are framed. Now, the definition of objective is a statement which helps to bring the desirable behavioral changes in a learner after a specific teaching learning activity. See, after the end of that program, we are able to bring that changes. That's only because of objective of these educational programs. What's the purpose of objectives? Objectives are really essential, which help us to achieve our goal. Objective is a statement which help us to know what is overall about this course program is. Objective which help us to meet the need of an individual. Objective which always keep us steady in a race of learning. Objective is very important because it is purposive which help us to reach and meet a certain purposes of our life. Even when you are under any program, any course, we are following that educational objective and we are working towards that so that we will get a success. Now, what's the qualities of objectives? The qualities of objective, the objective should be realistic. That means you should able to achieve that objective. You are setting objective where it's not able to achieve by the learner, then there is no meaning for that. So objective should be realistic, achievable. The you should able to learn, the learner should able to achieve that goal what is given at the end of the course. At the end of the program, learner should able to do what is already prescribed. Objective should be measurable. We should able to measure the outcome. The result should be measurable. That means maybe at the end of the program, the student should able to perform well. Maybe after taking nursing course, at the end of the program, the student nurse should be able to work in the hospital setup, able to do the procedures, meet the need of a patient. See, this is what the goal. This is what the objective. The objective should be feasible. That means it should be easy. Whenever it is required, we are able to bring certain changes in that. It should not be so rigid that you cannot change at all. It should not be like that. It should be very easy and flexible. And it should be observable. It should be easy for the observer to observe what all the necessary changes, modification we can do. So that will help us to bring a necessary changes, good result in our educational program. Next, the types of objective. Here we can mainly see three objective: institutional objective, intermediate objective, and instructional objective. Now you see the institutional objective. It's a statement which is given for the entire institution. Now if the institution is for the School of Nursing or College of Nursing, the entire school will have one objective, that at the end of this nursing program, the student should able to do certain nursing procedures. They should able to provide a good nursing care to the patient. See, like that. At the end of the program, you should able to do. Now this nursing program may be for 3 years or 4 years. Depends on the course what you're choosing. See, this is the institutional objective. Intermediate objective. Now, this objective will change for each year maybe. Maybe first year they planned. At the end of the course, at the end of this first year, students should have a mastery over these particular subjects. They should be skilled in nursing foundation procedures. Because fundamental of nursing is a basic for this nursing profession. You are learning all the basic procedures here. So, once they mastery over in that subject, then the objective may change for the second year, then third year. Now when you come to the instructional objective, it is maybe for even in your first year, it help you to clear your internal exams. the student must able to clear all the internal exams. See, this may be an objective for that particular year, particular program. Inside that program, how you are able to do. Maybe it helps the individual to clear the first attempt, clear the second internals with the good marks. So third internal, it will prepare you for your final exam. So this is the way they are setting their objective. So this is called types of objective. Now we will see the important characteristic of this objective. The characteristic of objective is SMART. SMART, SMART. Now S stands for specific. That means your objective should be well planned, well designed, well defined. It should be specific towards that goal. M stands for measurable. Here the objective should be measurable. That means the outcome should be able to evaluate. You should able to measure that whether how much we are able to achieve with the help of this objective. So objective always should be measurable. SMA, A for achievable. That means we will set the objective which is achieved by the learner. The goal should be easily attained by the learner. So objective of educational program should be achievable. All the learners who comes under that educational program should able to achieve that goal. SMAR. R means realistic. Now this realistic means it doesn't mean that easy, but it means that it should be real. That means it should able to do that. Now for example, like if the student who's having IQ is less than 70, that means mentally retarded, such person you are expecting them to have excellence in the nursing procedures. It's not going to happen. It's not realistic. So we will keep a goal which is realistic based on the capacity of an individual who comes under this educational program. Based on their level of knowledge, understanding and skill, we need to set the goal how they are able to do that. SMART. T means time bounded. That means we will have a bounded time. In that time duration we need to achieve that goal. For example, you are setting a first year goal. At the end of the program, students should able to understand all the first year subjects and have a mastery of the subjects and clear the exam and get promoted to the second year. See, now this should happen within that 1 year. Within this 1 year of time bounding, you should have that all the syllabus, all the chapters should be completed. You should have some in between exams and practicals. Practical knowledge must be given to the student and student should be prepared for the final exam. See, time bounded. Within 1 year, you are learning your first year subject. See, this is what called characteristic of objective. The next is component of objective. Now this easily explain this component in ABCD form. A for audience, B for behavior, C for content, 1 minute, C for condition and D for degree. Now A means audience. Audience means a learner. Here objectives are set for the learners. Learners need to attain all these objectives. B for behavior. We need to notice the behavior of an individual because when they come into that educational program, their behavior is really important to achieve the goal. To reach the target, students should have that positive attitude towards the goal. C for condition. In which condition they are having a learning. See, now sometimes we can have a classroom learning, incidental learning, we can have a learning in the hospitals, bedside learning. See, these all conditions will help the learner to learn the things. See, such conditions are provided so that we can improve their learning abilities. Last, D for degree. Degree means what's the level of their student performance, how good they are, how skilled they are, how trained, how good knowledge they acquired with the help of this educational program. So this is called a component of objective. So students, we learned today about objective. Objective is nothing but it's a statement which help the learner to achieve something at the end of the program. The characteristic of objective is explained by SMART. 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 Specific, measurable, achievable, R realistic, and T is time bounded. And the levels of objective is institutional level objective, intermediate objective and instructional objective. And one more thing, the type of objective where we can make a general type and specific type. See, even you will understand general type is At the end of the program, a student is able to acquire knowledge about whole subject. Maybe you're talking about infant. So here, student is able to learn about the infant, what is that, growth and development, mental, social functioning. All these qualities you're able to learn. But in specific objective, you are making a part learning. One by one, you're learning. Student is able to identify the definition of a newborn, at what age they will born, till when to when we'll call it as a newborn, what's the physical condition, physical characteristics. See, step by step you're learning. This is called specific learning. And the component of objective is A, B, C, D component. A for audience, B for behavior, C for condition, and D for degree. So this is all about your objective. You can expect 2 year 3 marks or 5 marks question. I hope you read, you learn, you listen, so that you can improve your answers. So this will help you, and please keep watching so that we'll learn some more topics in the next class. Until then, take care of yourself, and thank you all.